Hello, let's see today how we can fix the Battlefield 6 error where it says purchase to play. It can be fixed, but first you need to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's dive into the video. First open the settings, click on systems and click on install and uninstall. First of all, check if there is some content which is not installed and it will show you that it is installed or not. If it is not, then just install it if it's multiplayer or campaign, whatever. So this would be first solution, and if it doesn't work, then try to get back to main menu and then manage game content, and here you can see what is installed and what is not. So you have to find, if you have to play that mode, it should be installed, so you can install from here too. And if that doesn't work, then the third thing you can do, go to the main menu again and go to restore license and click on it. Once you restore the license, it could fix the problem, and these were 3 solutions you can use to fix this issue. And after applying these solutions, your error should be gone. So thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.